In this episode, we'll talk about how we can design the customer acquisition chart, this waterfall chart that I have designed for this customer success dashboard, and how we can design such an elegant, such a good looking, such an impressive looking, and such an interactive that is visually appealing waterfall chart to analyze and to segregate the customer acquisition type that customer has been acquired through different channels, and what is the count of different channels, and we can design this is the waterfall chart, and how we can design this waterfall chart like this one. This is the data, and how this waterfall chart is working, and when the data here changes, the mailing changes, or the product, or um, uh, we can analyze it the year wise. Like it will change automatically with the year, the total, and everything will change, and it will also change with the product type in each year, and also it will also change with the area and with the state. So we will design in this episode, we will design such type of elegant, such type of good looking, impressive looking waterfall chart to analyze the customer acquisition type, to analyze the channels, to analyze the performance of the channels that are being used to uh, acquire new customers, to acquire the customers. So let's see how we can design it in this episode. Watch this episode till the end and stay tuned, and also watch the complete series to learn about designing such a beautiful customer success dashboard using in Microsoft Excel, using different techniques and tips and tricks that I'm discussing in this series. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan, and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth, and how you can put your creativity on the table, and how you can put your creativity, show your creativity to create a long lasting impact and impress your boss or the customer, the client you are working for, or any corporate you are working for. So, if you are a student, fresh graduate, early level professional, or a mid level professional, then this platform is just for you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform, because this platform is just for you, to help you learn new skills, and to help you become creative, and to help you become smarter and deliver smarter. So in this episode, we are talking about designing the elegant, the beautiful looking customer acquisition chart that I have designed here. And it's an interactive chart, like it's the total number of the customers acquired, and they are segregated based on the channel through which they are being acquired. You can also check the performance of each of the channel, and you can also check the performance of each of the channel year wise. You can check the performance of each of the channel product wise also. Like product one has performance. You can check the performance of each of the channel in state wise, like in each state. In Alabama, what is the performance of each of the, and you can then learn about that, what is the performance and what I need to improve, in which state I need to focus, so you can analyze each and everything using this customer acquisition chart. Because customer acquisition channels are really really important if you are want to increase your customer experience, if you want to increase your revenues and sales. So you can play with the number in a beautiful way using this elegant, this beautiful looking customer acquisition chart, that is the waterfall chart, and how we can design it. So let's design it in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we need to create a sheet, and customer acquisition, I will give it name customer acquisition sheet, and it will give the name, so that I can find it later, that it's customer acquisition data is present here, sheet is present here. Then I have the customer acquisition type, and I will then post the content, uh, the count of customer acquisition type, that how many customers are acquired through each channel in each of the year and different things. So let's see, first of all, insert the pivot table, and I have already created the table, which is the sales data table, and all the fields are appeared here. And then I need the customer acquisition type, and I then need the count of the state. Like count of the state, you just need count, so you can use any of the field to grab the count, and count of channel, yeah, count of customers. So how many customers? So it shows that such number of customers are being acquired. Now I need to create the waterfall chart. Look at here, and this is the waterfall chart. But oh, what's happened here? You can't create this type of chart type with data inside pivot table. When your data is in pivot table, you cannot create such type of chart. Either you need to a different chart or copy the data outside the pivot table. So if I just copy this data outside the pivot table, then it will also create the waterfall chart. Like if you want to copy this data outside the pivot table, you can just paste it as numbers, and then you can create the waterfall chart very easily. But uh, it's not fulfilling the way I want to work, because I cannot paste it as number, because I need an interactive waterfall chart. Interactive means that when any button on the slicer change clicks, and then I can view it using segregated, using different products, view it using through different products, that how many customer acquired in for this product one, and that I've shown to you. So I need to work like this. So for to fulfill this purpose, I need to copy this, uh, the fields, the customer acquisition types, and then I need to copy the numbers, count of I need to count of customers, and with the count of customers I need to reference the pivot table data with is equal to sign, and that will work the same as the data inside the pivot table. Get pivot table data function lets the cell function the same as it's actually outside the pivot table, but it's actually function the same as it's inside the pivot table. So if data inside the pivot table changes, it will also have an impact on this cell also. So that's about all about the customer acquisition type. And so this is a table created, then I need to create the chart. Then I need to click on insert, then click on the waterfall and click, that's the waterfall chart for me. Now I need to delete some parts, so I need to increase its size so that each of the channel is visible here. I need to delete this, and then I need to delete the title, so I have a lot of data available here. I do not need this access also, because count is also already visible here. Now this is the customer acquisition chart, waterfall chart for you, but I need that the total sum should be the full and not like it should be such type of. So I need to it represent the full cell data, so I need to format the data series. And the format data series, I need to click on here, and I need to set as total, that this is the total of all the parts. So when it's shown as total, and I need to show connector lines. If you do not want to show connector lines, so it depends on me. You can work with the, and also I can gradient fill, and with that fill I can work with the different colors. I need to design some elegant colors for it, and let's see some beautiful designs and gradient. And look at this one, and you can have some transparency, set for some transparency. You can also set for some angle. uh, so look at this one, and it's looking really beautiful one. And also I need to these data labels should be inside, this should be inside, and in the center, this should be in the center. And I need to increase its size, and I need to also This color should be, that's text option. This color should be white. It's looking really good one. And so that's the waterfall slide for you, and waterfall chart for you. And you can also, the titles, data labels are also already present here. You can we will work some more with this chart when are finalizing the design. And you can also delete this connector line if you want to. So you can play with the format plot area, format the chart area. You can play with it the way you want. And format the plot area. You can also format the axis, and this text option, text outline, uh, solid, no line, and it should be begin size like a bold. And also you can have the text alignment. You can work with the text alignment also. And so that's all about the customer acquisition type chart. And you can also change the colors of these also. You can format the data series. You can work with the colors. You can work the way you want. This should be solid filled. So it depends upon you how you design these colors, how you design these slicers, how you design these different parts. That's all about the customer acquisition chart. And in the end we will work some more with the, like, you can design it the way you want, and you can work some more with it, and tools and technique, and you will put your creativity the way you want, inside your charts, inside your inside. And then when we are putting it here, we will work some more with it. So in the upcoming episode we will then discuss the customers, how to design the customer satisfaction chart, how to design the slicers, and how to design interactive slicers, how to modify these slicers, custom like creating the customer slicers, and how to design this dashboard in a way that it's interactive, that all charts are interactive with the slicers. So follow this series and subscribe to my channel, and share this series, this customer success dashboard tutorial, with each and every one that you know, so that they can also create, get idea, get learn how to create the dashboard, and then they can design elegant dashboard, beautiful dashboard for their own customer clients or for their boss in their company. That will be really helpful to create a really good impact on your boss, on your customer or your client. It's all about the customer acquisition chart. And thank you for watching. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development, learning new skills, and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity that is waiting for you. Also press the bell icon to get notified of the new video shared on this platform. Also share the video with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.